Should you pay for AI tools or use free alternatives? We tested both and the results shocked us. Watch to see which tools actually deliver. Free tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Perplexity handle 80% of creator needs without spending a dime. Perfect for testing workflows before investing. But here's the catch: limits on usage, watermarks, and slower processing, ideal for beginners and side hustlers testing ideas first. ChatGPT free covers content writing and brainstorming. Canva AI generates graphics instantly. Descript edits videos automatically. Midjourney has a free trial with credits. Claude Free handles complex analysis. All deliver professional results without payment. Start here before upgrading anywhere. Pay when you need unlimited usage, priority support, or advanced features. Again, gain incentive usage, ChatGPT Plus, Midjourney subscriptions, and Jasper unlock 10x productivity. Essential for agencies managing multiple projects. Free versions create bottlenecks at scale. Calculate ROI. If A saves 10 hours weekly, premium pricing pays for itself instantly. Start free. Measure your workflow improvements, then upgrade strategically. Don't pay for everything, mix and match. Use free tools for experimentation. Paid tools for experimentation, budgets 50 cents 10 and monthly max for creators. Test our recommended stack, free ChatGPT, paid Midjourney, free Canva. Scale up based on actual results, drop a comment with free AI tool. Saved your workflow, subscribe for weekly tool reviews and tutorials, no fluff, just results. Reviews and tutorials, no fluff, just results.